Atlanta News First reporter Rebecca Schramm has followed this story from the very beginning. Rebecca, former Governor Sonny Perdue, actually launched that investigation into APS in 2010. This case just seems to go on and on.
Yeah, and you know what, Gravir and Rob, it's interesting. The judge in the case, Jerry Baxter, has been retired, but he came back for this hearing, and he was just listening to an attorney who represents the 6 remaining defendants in this case. They've yet to be convicted because they have yet to be sentenced because they're still appealing their convictions. Let's take a look back on how we got here. The cheating scandal first came to light in 2009 when an erasure analysis uncovered that an extraordinary number of answers on standardized tests across the district had been changed from wrong to right. State investigators initially implicated 178 teachers at 44 Atlanta public schools. That led to 35 educators being indicted accused of cheating. 23 educators eventually confessed, 12 went to trial, and 11 were ultimately convicted in a trial that lasted 8 months. Now, a decade since the initial indictments, an attorney representing 6 defendants who've yet to be sentenced because they're appealing is asking to withdraw from the case, citing a conflict of interest to represent all 6. Now, some supporters of the former educators were hoping the judge would drop the case altogether against those remaining 6 defendants without making them serve prison time, but that didn't happen. Instead, within the last half hour, the judge ruled that attorney can withdraw from the case. He has set another hearing for next month so those defendants can come forward with their new attorneys. So this case just keeps dragging on. Live at the Fulton County Courthouse, Rebecca Schramm, Atlanta News First.
Wow, Rebecca.